fam, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. If it's your first time over here, thank you so much for coming on board, and please remember to subscribe. And if it's your second time, thank you so much for the love and the support that you always show me. On today's video, I want to share with you some of the mistakes that I made in my first year as a full-time entrepreneur, and we're just gonna go straight into it. I have my book as usual, so I'm gonna refer to it. Mistake number one that I did was just to get advice from everyone, and these are people who are not even on the same level as myself, and these are people who are like my mentors, maybe people that are also in business, people who are not on the same level. You understand? They're not giving me advice according to their first year of business. They're just giving me advice that they felt was right for me at that particular time. So that was a mistake that I did, and I learned from it. Mistake number two that I made last year is not doing enough research, especially in the industry that I am, and not doing enough research on how much money people are being paid in this industry. So I did a mistake of getting a bunch of people who were supposed to work for me, or yeah, they did work for me, and I paid them like triple the amount that I was supposed to pay them. And at the end of the day, money came in the company, but I ended up spending like almost all of it in paying them. You understand? So there's just so many mistakes that came with that. Even when it came to quotation, I didn't get it right from the word go. So these are things that I just did which were not good, and I learned from it. Mistake number three, I mixed friendship with my business. Like, there's someone that I gave a job because I trusted them with the job because they are my friend. They never delivered at all, and I even paid them way in advance without even getting papers, like a receipt from them. And this is something that now I had to pay for, go back into my pockets and get money and just pay for this project to be done. But they never got to deliver that particular job. So mixing friendship with business was just one of the mistakes that I did. If you want to start your business, please don't repeat that. Don't do it, because even when you're working with friends, yes, I'm not saying that don't work with friends, you can work with them, but get them sign contracts and all that if you need to, but just don't mix friendship with business. The fourth mistake in my first year is jumping the gun. Like, I got to start a job without being approved, like that quotation getting approved from the client, you know. So you end up, I didn't even get the LPO. It's usually advisable to get the legal purchase order for you to start a job, but I got the moment I was just excited. The moment the client told me to do this, I sent them the quotation, and then they're just telling me, they actually told me to proceed. It wasn't even on mail, they just called me. Someone called me and told me, you can proceed with the work, you know. I just started the work, I jumped into it, and yeah, they didn't pay me at all. After finishing everything and delivering to the client, they said, you know what, we didn't approve for this quotation, so we're not gonna pay you. So that's how I ended up spending a lot of time in this project, but I got nothing. So that is one of the lessons that I learned. I can't start a job without getting a final approval, and even written on mail, you know. Yeah, even if they're your friends, it doesn't matter. Just get everything the way it's supposed to be. Number five is letting my emotions get in the way. You know, like I know I'm an emotional being, yes, especially when I was doing a business with a friend. It got to a point where I just snapped. I was just like, you know what, stay with the money, I don't need it. Just stay with the money that I paid you. Don't even do the job, leave it. Just don't do anything, don't touch it. Then it came back to me. Like, I had to look for someone else to do this job, I had to pay for it. So at the end of the day, I'm making losses because of my emotions. I need to have some emotional intelligence, and yes, I'm reading a book to help me get into that. And I'm also trying to just learn about emotional intelligence, because it's something that I really need, and you also need when you're getting into business, you know. I've learned so many things, but yeah, I just had to trim them to 5. I'm gonna leave them at that. Don't repeat them. You can just learn from my mistakes. You know what? Yes. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're a business person and there are some mistakes that you did, or maybe you've learned in your business, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And if you like this particular video, kindly thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe. My head is somewhere there, my face is somewhere there, just press it. And until next time, guys,